Hi guys, just doing a review on a Kenwood DDX9018DABS. It's got digital radio, it's got DVD, it's got CarPlay, Android Auto, Wi-Fi. It's got pretty much the works there. So, and we've just put it into a 2008 Holden Commodore VE Series 1. So this is it. Full integrated system here, and that works. Yes, you got your heating, climate control here. You got your fan. That integrates with your steering wheel control as well. So if that goes up, down, telephone mute, and then fast forward, rewind. So you can see it. So yeah, I know. And then it's pretty cool. Let's see if I can go through some of the features and stuff with you. I think the car's telling me to put up my seatbelt or something like that, so don't worry about that for now. Let's go to your audio settings. It's pretty cool. You got your, what type of car, what size speakers, where's the location, your crossovers, your factory woofers or non-woofers, whatever. Your 13-band equalizer, it's pretty cool. You can hit all source and then it would go to all of them. Position listening, so you got time alignment and stuff like that, so how far away from individual speakers you are and all that, so it's pretty cool. Then you got your zone control, so you got dual zone, so if you got kids at the back there, you can put like a roof mount screen and make it so it's two different zones. Also sound effects, you got bass boost, loudness, all these enhancer and stuff like that. So it's pretty cool. It's pretty awesome unit. What else has it got? Sorry. So that's the amplitude telling me that's low. So let's just switch that one off for now. What else? Yeah, it does ejects and stuff like that. So you got tilt control, say all the way there or whatever, eject the disc. It's got Spotify, so you can do your Bluetooth streaming music or hands-free calling as well. Nav ready, so you can incorporate some of your navigation system. I know there's a company called Advanced Ice or something like that, which has a HEMA maps, so your forward driver maps and stuff like that. Not that you would do it in a VE Commodore, but if you had this unit inside like a forward drive, then you can incorporate that and use it as that. Not just forward driving, you can also use that as for towing caravans or something like that. You can take different routes and stuff like that. So yeah. Other than that, you can change the layout of this where you want things to be. So yeah, it's a pretty cool unit. I like it, You got your digital, you got your, let's go to your like normal radio, we'll see. AM and FM, let's just search and we lock in some station here. Programming is fairly simple and straightforward like everything else. Search a channel, lock it into whatever, and then just hold it in for 3 seconds or so, and then it will lock in. This one here is called TI, stands for traffic information. So it tells you, keeps you up with the traffic and stuff like that. So pretty cool. The time can be automatically adjusted via GPS or radio station these days, so that's pretty cool. Let's get into some of the features like these. Bluetooth, so you got video out, you got a roof mount screen or something like that. You got Wi-Fi, so search for the Wi-Fi, and then you can mirror cast onto this as well. User interface is pretty much your steering wheel control and all that stuff. It's pretty easy. It's got dual camera input, so you got front camera and reverse camera input. Also with these units here, you can incorporate like the dash cam into these as well. So you can have the Kenwood dash cam, which goes into these, and you can integrate it into that as well. So it's a pretty cool unit on that, I reckon. Blah blah blah. Yeah, don't worry about that. Whatever you do not go into the security, because if you can't figure out what your password was, well, Kenwood can't even help you with that one. had one incident where a customer put his own password in and forgotten it and sent it off to Kenwood, and Kenwood say, sorry mate, we can't open it because you put your password and we can't reset it from factory. So yeah, so if you're going to do it, make sure you write it down somewhere or email it to yourself or something. Otherwise you're locked down the unit, it becomes useless. But yeah, that's my little review on this unit here. The screen is very soft, it's got glass feel to it. It's like a capacitive touch, you know. I think it is capacitive touch, to be honest with you. Yeah, but other than that, very smooth operating. No, it's a good unit. 10 out of 10 for me. I like it. Alright guys, I'll see you next time. Hope you liked my little review, and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, whatever. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.